Double glazing refers to a sealed glass unit comprising of two sheets of glass separated by a spacer bar around the outside of the glass. The spacer bar creates a nominated millimetre air gap between the glass panes. It's this air gap that creates the insulation break between the inside and the outside of the window. UPVC frames have been used in the building industry in Australia for almost 50 years. It is the ideal choice for noise reduction, temperature control, and saving energy, not to mention it's maintenance free. Double glazing will help to reduce both traffic and other external noises. It can reduce noise from 80 to 45 decibels and can block up to 90% of all outside noise. Double glazing is designed to maintain temperature. By having double glazing, air is trapped between the two sheets, which protects between the hot air inside and the cold air outside in winter, and the opposite in summer. UPVC windows won't impact the environment once they are fitted. They are also 100% recyclable. Our UPVC windows are fully blended for Australian conditions, so they won't discolour or fade. We make all of our UPVC windows and doors to custom fit. UPVC will need very little maintenance. You don't use any glues or paints that risk degrading, so a quick clean every 12 months is all it needs. Use WD-40 or grease on the hardware and soapy water on the UPVC. You can expect UPVC windows and doors to last almost 70 years. Quality materials and fitting standards will encourage long-lasting windows and doors. Our UPVC windows and doors come with a 10-year warranty. If you have this style of house, we can make your windows custom to your heritage home.
Ecostar, get the best double glazing from the start.